Hi and welcome to City Update. I'm Sherry Kropp and my guest today is Rob Stone. He is project manager on renovations that are taking place here at City Hall. Rob, what can you tell us about what's going on here at City Hall?
Yes, but we're doing a lot of improvements on the first floor as well as the council chambers. Are moving a lot of things that were in the back, having to deal with the public, moving it as a one-stop shop up front. There'll be some nice storefront type opportunities up here for everyone to address if they need permits or pay some bills or things like that. We'll have a new guard station right behind us, and as well as some changes made to the council chambers.
So this is going to make it a lot easier for customers to do business with the city.
Absolutely.
There'll be a kiosk here where they can work with the specific departments if they need permits or requesting inspections, paying bills, things like that.
Absolutely.
Okay. So why were the renovations needed?
Well, it's been a long time since anything's been done, and I think in the mid-90s since anything's been revised. Yeah. And plus with the lessons learned from COVID, so we're able to just offer a better customer experience up front and have everything in one place.
Right, and I believe there were also like some ADA issues. They needed to be brought up to standard.
Current standards, that's once we get started, we have to bring everything up to ADA compliance, and makes the customer experience a lot better.
Right, and then since it has not been updated since the 90s, technology sure has changed a lot since then.
Absolutely.
So we're trying to incorporate that in there as far as the city council meetings being upgraded, council chambers and things like that.
Yes.
Now, what is the estimated budget for this project?
It was right over $1 million, right at $1 million.
And you said the completion date should be?
November of this year.
Okay. And Rob, I know while these renovations are underway, customers can still do business with the city. They just have to come into the side entrance, which is located between the police department and City Hall. There will be signage out there for them to follow.
Absolutely.
Right?
Just follow the signs, and also the security guards there that can help you get where you need to be.
Okay. And while these renovations are taking place in City Hall, council chambers is been moved over to the Fast Transit Center. They will not be broadcast live on Fay TV due to the inability to do that over there. But if you want to watch the City Council live, you can go to FayettevilleNC.gov/CityCouncil. There will be a link there to the YouTube page with which the council meetings will stream there. If you want to participate in a public meeting or something like that, a public meeting link will also be there, and then you can sign up to participate via Zoom. And we anticipate that these will go on until council chamber renovations are complete, and then we'll move it back over here and be able to broadcast live on Fay TV. Well, Rob, thank you for being our guest today, and thank you for watching this City Update. We'll see you next time.